Okay, today this is the second part of higher trigonometry lectures. Uh, First of all, today we will discuss the main topic, circular function of complex numbers. Circular function. Actually, circular function and complex number. This is two types of words. One is circular. Circular means there is a circle. There will be a circle, and function you must know, there is independent variable, dependent variable y equal to f of x types, and complex number. This is a, that means there will be a complex form of trigonometric function, complex form of trigonometric function, and there will be a relation between uh, trigonometric function and exponential function. uh, Suppose cos theta equals to e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2, and sin theta will be just minus, and in the down twice I, in denominator twice I. This is the cos theta formula. This is the relation between exponential function and trigonometric function, cosine, and this is the sine function, and this is the relation between exponential function and trigonometric function sine. If we replace theta by z, then it will be complex function, and this circular function, trigonometric functions are circular function because this is a wave function, periodic function, all are circular function. And if we replace theta with z in circular function, that means theta will replace by z, then it will be the circular function of complex number. And it's also known as Euler's exponential form of circular function. It is also called Euler's exponential form of circular functions. And hyperbolic function, hyperbolic function, this is the sine hyperbolic function equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2. Just I absent here, look like cos and sine, but I will be absent in hyperbolic function. Sine hyperbolic x equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2, and cos hyperbolic x equals to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2. And tan will be sine by cos. Tan will be what? Sine by cos. And cot will be cos by sine. Cos by sine. And sec will be 1 by cos. That means opposite of cos hyperbolic. Cosec also same. Similar process, we get this. Actually, this is the relation between exponential function and circular function, and this is the hyperbolic function. Again, relation between circular and hyperbolic function, sin ix equals to I sin hyperbolic x. Actually, this will be the formula, and we have to use these types of formula in different examples of circular function. Sin ix equals to I into sin hyperbolic x, and cos ix equals to cos hyperbolic x. Remember it. That means cos absorbed I, then it becomes hyperbolic function. Tan ix equals to I tan hyperbolic x. Sin ix equals to I sin x only. Sin hyperbolic ix equals to I sin x. That means opposite. Cos hyperbolic ix equals to cos x, and tan will be I tan x. We have to remember this, and we have to use this formula also. Cos square hyperbolic x, cos hyperbolic square x minus sin hyperbolic square x equals to 1. Similar process, sin hyperbolic x equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x, and cos hyperbolic x equals to the power x plus e to the power minus x. But I absent, imaginary number I will be absent in hyperbolic function. Recording error. Uh, Relation between circular function and hyperbolic function. This is right. Cos x equals to relation cos x equals to e to the power ix plus e to the power minus ix divided by 2. But cos hyperbolic x equals to just I absent. That means e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2. Again, sin x equals to e to the power ix minus e to the power minus ix divided by twice I, right? And sin hyperbolic x equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2. That means the relation between circular function and hyperbolic function. In hyperbolic, I will be absent, but in circular function, I will be present. But in figure, observe that figure, this will be along x-axis, that means along base cos, along perpendicular this will be sine, and this is the point, main point. but in hyperbolic way. Hyperbola, you must know hyperbola, this is the hyperbolic function, right? But this is the circle. This is why it is called circular function. And but it makes hyperbola, this is why it is called hyperbola function. And this the point the point lies at the hyperbola. Cos hyperbola, cos will be along x-axis and along y-axis this will be sin t. Actually, this is the curve xt will be the whole curve, this is the circular curve, and this xt will be the hyperbolic function. Hyperbola to jano, hyperbola, circular means circle and hyperbolic means hyperbola. You have to remember this formula for future examples. Okay, now example 41. Try to concentrate, please. Today present maybe 17 most highest. If tan theta plus I pi phi, this is pi what phi, theta plus I pi equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, then prove that theta equals to n pi divided by 2 plus pi by 4 and pi equals to half 10 log 10 pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. And now we have tan theta plus I pi equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. This is given. Now similarly complex conjugate, if we take complex conjugate of the complex form tan theta minus I pi, this is the conjugate form, equals to this will be cos alpha just minus taking sign changed, this will be conjugate, complex conjugate form. Now but tan twice theta equals to can be written as tan theta plus I pi plus theta minus I pi, that means I pi cancels, just tan 2 theta. I have made it to make a formula tan theta plus I pi plus theta minus I pi. Tan a plus b formula what? Tan a plus tan b minus 1 minus tan a into tan b. Remember tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b what? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Just previous formula what? Tan a plus b formula from trigonometry. Intermediate of trigonometry. This equals to just putting the values tan theta plus I pi equals to this and theta minus I pi will be this from these two given condition, and 1 minus this will be this. This will be just I sin alpha cancel, only cos alpha cos twice alpha, and this will be a plus b into a minus b, right? A square minus b square, but minus will be cancelled because I square equals to what? Minus 1. I square equals to minus 1, imaginary number I, but if we take square on I, then it will give minus 1. So cos square plus sin square alpha equals to what? Only 1. 1 minus 1 0. That means something divided by 0 what? Infinity. Something divided by 0 infinity. And infinity in tan how many degree? 90 degree. This is why tan pi by 2. This is pi. So 2 theta equals to pi by 2. For an general form 2 theta equals to n pi plus pi by 4, pi by 2. For general means up n will be 0 1 2 3 dot dot, because it is circular function. 2 theta equals to n pi plus pi by 2, therefore theta equals to just dividing by 2 on both sides, n pi plus divided by 2 plus pi by 4. Now again tan 2 I pi equals to can be written as look like before theta plus I pi minus theta minus I pi. Just this will be plus and this will be what? Minus. Same formula we use. We will use same formula of tan. This is tan a plus b and this will be tan a minus b. Tan a minus b formula what? Tan a minus tan b 1 divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. This is the formula from trigonometry, general trigonometry formula. This equals to just putting the values of tan theta plus I pi cos alpha plus I sin alpha minus bracket cos alpha minus I sin alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos alpha minus I sin alpha. Then after calculation cos alpha will be cancelled, just 2 I sin alpha, and in down 1 plus cos A square minus B square formula. Cos square alpha minus sin square minus 1 will be I square. This is why cos square of alpha plus sin square alpha. And this will be 1 plus 1, 2 cancel, 2 I sin alpha. Therefore, tan 2 I pi, tan 2 I pi can be written as I into tan hyperbolic 2 pi. From relation between circular function and hyperbolic function. Tan 2 I pi equals to what? I tan hyperbolic 2 pi equals to I sin alpha. Because this is the formula. Understand? Tan Ix equals to I tan hyperbolic x. This, now I cancel from both sides. Tan 2 pi equals to only sin alpha. Tan 2 pi equals to only sin alpha. This tan 2 pi equals to tan hyperbolic twice pi equals to we use exponential form e to the power twice pi minus e to the power minus twice pi divided by e to the power twice pi plus e to the power minus twice pi from above formula list. This one, this formula used here. Now tan twice pi equals to just e to the power twice pi minus e to the power minus twice pi e to the power twice pi plus e to the power minus twice pi. Sin alpha, on single sin alpha can be written as sin alpha by 1. Now by component to dividend. Component to dividend means in Bengali Zujon Buzon. Component to dividend. Numerator plus denominator in numerator, and in down numerator minus denominator. That means sin alpha 1 plus sin alpha 1 minus sin alpha. Understand? Now by component to dividend we can write this. Now e to the minus twice pi e to the minus twice pi cancelled from up. Now in down e to the power twice pi e to the power twice pi cancel, 2 cancel, and this sin alpha can be written as cos pi by 2 plus alpha. Sin this cos pi by 2 plus theta equals to what? Minus sin theta. Do you know? Of course no. Sin cos is the first quadrant. Cos will be in second quadrant. Second quadrant cos will be what? Positive. Sin and cos will be sin positive. In first quadrant all are positive, but in second quadrant sin will be, cos will be negative. Cos will be what? Negative. This is why 1 plus sin alpha can be written as 1 minus cos pi by 2 plus alpha. Because odd quadrant for odd 90 degree, 90 degree single 90 degree, cos will be converted to sin, but it exists in second quadrant. This is why minus. Cos is negative, then minus plus sin alpha. That means sin alpha can be written as like this. Now 1 minus cos twice a, 1 minus cos twice a formula what? 2 sin square a. A means what? 2 into this divided by 2. 2 into this divided by 2 means what? Pi by 4 plus alpha by 2 is the a only. 1 minus cos twice a formula 2 sin square a. Similarly 1 plus cos twice a formula what will be? 2 cos square a. A means what? Pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. This whole a. 2 cos square a means 1 plus cos twice a. Now this exponential form e to the power twice pi e to the power minus twice pi will be e to the power 4 pi. E to the power 4 pi equals to sin by cos means 10, and e to the power twice pi means taking a square on both sides, square root on both sides, taking a square root on both sides, e to the power twice pi equals to 10 pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. Therefore 2 pi equals to, taking log on both sides, taking log on logarithm on both sides, twice pi equals to log e base 10 pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. Therefore pi equals to dividing by 2 on both sides, half log 10 pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. Very important maths for you. Next example 42. If u equals to log e base 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2, then prove that this tan hyperbolic u by 2 equals to tan theta by 2. This we have to prove. Now we have, this is the given condition, u equals to log e base 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2. This equals to taking exponential on both sides. That means e to the power u equals to e log. E log means what? This will be cancelled. E to the power u equals to e log will be cancelled. Then only tan pi by 4 plus theta by 2 will be exist. Therefore, e to the power u equals to this is the formula of what? Tan a plus b. Tan a plus b formula what? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan pi by 4 means what? Tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equals to what? 1. 1 plus tan theta by 2, 1 minus tan theta by 2. Then e to the power minus u means what? Just in taking inverse. Taking inverse of e to the power u means what? E to the power minus u. Just inverting the this fraction, we get e to the power minus u equals to new denominator will be numerator 1 minus tan theta by 2 and numerator will be denominator 1 plus tan theta by 2. Now by component to dividend do, we get e to the power of 1. Component to dividend do of 1. E to the power u plus 1 divided by e to the power minus 1. Numerator plus denominator. Numerator minus denominator. Similarly, in right hand side, numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. Then you get 2 divided by 2 tan theta by 2. This equals to only get tan theta by 2. This is equation number 3. Again, tan hyperbolic u by 2 equals to what? Tan hyperbolic formula. Tan hyperbolic formula equals to tan hyperbolic x equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Just in replace of x, u by 2 in every x, absent of I. Now this equals to e to the power u by 2 minus e to the power minus u by 2 and e to the power u by 2 plus e to the power minus u by 2. Now taking e to the power u by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Understand? Taking u by 2. Now multiplying this e to the power u by 2 multiplying this multiply this what? E to the power u, right? And this multiply this what? Only 1. E to the power 0 means what? 1. Now this e to the power u2, this is e to the power 2 multiplying, we get only e to the power u. And half u plus half u what? Only 1 u. Now this multiply this only 1. Therefore tan hyperbolic u by 2 equals to this equals to what? From equation number 3. From equation number 3 only tan theta by 2. This is the required proof. If cos hyperbolic x equals to sec theta, then prove that first condition theta equals to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse e to the power minus x. In number 2, tan hyperbolic pi by 2 equals to tan theta by 2. Now from the first condition, this is the first condition. We have to prove this condition. Tan inverse e to the power x. Now let us consider tan inverse e to the power minus x equals to alpha. Suppose tan inverse e to the power minus x equals to alpha. Then e to the power x equals to what? Tan alpha. Taking tan on both sides. E to the power a minus x equals to only tan alpha. This alpha equals to tan inverse e to the power x. Equation number 1. Now e to the power x equals to what? Taking inverse cot alpha. 1 by 10 means what? Cot alpha. This is why 1 by e to the power minus x means e to the power x. Just taking inverse. Now sec theta equals to cos hyperbolic x. Sec theta equals to what? Cos hyperbolic x. Cos hyperbolic x equals to exponential form e to the power x plus e to the power minus ix divided by 2. This is the relation between hyperbolic function and circular function. Now putting the values of e to the power minus x and e to the power x in this formula, in this equation number 3, we get sec theta equals to only cot alpha plus tan alpha divided by 2. Now twice sec theta equals to cot alpha plus tan alpha. Just tan means sin by cos and cot means cos by sin. Cos alpha by sin alpha. Taking LCM, least common multiple on both sides. Now 2 divided by 2 to cancel. 2 divided by sin, 2 sin a cos a what? Sin twice alpha. So cos theta equals to sin twice alpha. Single cos theta equals to cos. This twice alpha can be written as pi by 2 minus twice alpha. That means cos will be converted to sin, and in first quadrant cos will be positive, but in odd even right angle. Odd right angle means cos will be transformed to sin twice alpha. Therefore theta equals to pi by 2 minus twice alpha, but in pi by 2 divided by minus 2 alpha means tan inverse e to the power minus x, which will be let for us. This is the first proof. Now for the second proof, to prove this condition, tan hyperbolic pi by 2 equals to tan theta by 2, we have to proceed on using a cos hyperbolic x equals to sec theta. This is our proved condition. Sec theta, cos hyperbolic equals to sec theta. But cos hyperbolic equals to, this is the formula, e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2. Replacing this by this, now cos theta, cross multiplication, by cross multiplication, e to the power x minus 2 cos sec theta plus e to the power minus x, and multiplying both sides e to the power x, multiplying both sides by e to the power x. Then we get e to the power x whole square minus 2 e to the power x sec theta plus e to the power minus x into e to the power x what? Only 1. E to the power 0 means 1. Now solving the quadratic, this is the quadratic equation of e to the power x, x square plus bx plus c. X square plus bx plus c is the quadratic form of standard quadratic form. Quadratic equation standard form what? X square plus bx plus c. Here e to the power x is look like x. Consider e to the power x equals to x to solve. So solving the quadratic equation in e to the power x, we know x equals to, in quadratic form, x equals to plus minus b square root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. Now x means what? E to the power x. B means what? E to the power, coefficient of e to the power x. Coefficient of e to the power x minus 2 sec theta. So minus 2 sec theta. This will be plus 2 sec theta. Plus minus square root. B square means what? Minus 2 sec theta whole square. Minus 4a. A means what? 1. C means what? This also 1. Only 4. Divided by twice a. A means 1. Now e to the power x equals to this one. Sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Tan square theta square root cancel. Only tan theta. There are two values of e to the power x. One is plus positive, another is negative. This is left in equation number 4. Now again tan hyperbola x equals to tan hyperbola x equals to what? E to the power x by 2, e to the power minus e to the power minus x by 2, e to the power x by 2 plus e to the power minus x by 2. It can be written as multiplying both numerator and denominator like this, e to the power u by 2 multiplying e to the power u by 2 multiplying, that means e to the power u minus 1, e to the power u plus 1. Similar e to the power x by 2 multiplying e to the power x by 2 multiplying, we get e to the power x minus 1, e to the power x plus 1. Remember it. This equation, question number 5. Now putting the value of e to the power x from 4 and 4, e to the power x equals to positive 1, negative 1. Now just using positive 1, tan hyperbolic x by 2 equals to e to the power x value, e to the power x value. Then sec 10, sec means what? 1 by cos. 10 means what? Sin by cos. Then taking LCM in both numerator and denominator, after calculation we get this, and alternating 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta sin theta. Now 1 minus cos 2 theta formula what? 2 sin square theta, and sin twice a. Twice a means what? 2 into theta by 2. 2 into theta by 2. Then sin twice a. Twice a formula what? 2 sin a cos a formula. This also 1 plus cos twice a, 2 cos square a formula. A means what? Theta by 2. Now sin twice a formula. A means theta by 2. Sin 2 into theta by 2. That means sin twice a. Sin twice a equals to 2 sin a cos a. Now taking common, 2 sin theta common. Then here in down 2 cos theta common. Then 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta means only tan theta. 2 to cancel. This is the required proof. Second proof. Important maths to देखो. Now separate into real and imaginary part. Separating real and imaginary part. Square root over I to the power square over root over I. We know square root over I equals to this, square root over I can be written as I to the power half, and this equals to can be written as cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. I equals to this, cos 90 degree what? 0, sin 90 degree what? 1. Cos pi by 2 means what? 90 degree. 90 degree. So I can be written as this, cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Complex number. I equals to cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 to the power half. But by De Moivre's theorem, we can write power will be multiplied with the angle, respective angle. So half multiply 5 by 2, 5 by 4, half multiply 5 by 2, 5 by 4. By using what? De Moivre's theorem. Now cos 45 degree what? 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degree, 5 by 4 means 45 degrees, and 5 by 4 also 1 by root 2. That means square root over I can be written as this equals to e to the power I 5 by 2. E to the power, this can be written as e to the power I 5 by 2 exponential form. E to the power ix formula cos x plus I sin x. Do you know? E to the power ix formula what? Cos x plus I sin x. This is why in replace of x 5 by 2 only. So this can be written as e to the power I 5 by 4. Now root over I to the power root over I can be written as e to the power I 5 by 4 to the power this root I below. Now taking exponential form, just multiply 5 by 1 by root 2 multiplied this what I 5 by 4 root 2 plus then I square I means what I square means minus 1. That means 5 by 4 multiply 1 by root 2, 5 by 4 root 2. This is whole power on E. Remember it. Now we can separate this power individually. E to the power minus 5 by 4 root 2 into e to the power I 5 by 4 root 2. This equals to can be written as e to the power minus 5 by 4 root 2, and e to the power ix formula what? Cos x plus I sin x. X means what? 5 by 4 root 2. E to the power ix formula. E to the power ix formula cos x plus I sin x. This formula we have in previous page. Cos x plus I sin x. Now multiplying. Now equating real and imaginary parts on both sides. Equating real and imaginary part. Real part which one? This is the real part multiplied with this. This is the real part. And imaginary part which will be? This is the imaginary part. This multiply this. This is the required result. Show that for real values of a and b to the power twice ai cot inverse b bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1 whole to the power minus I equals to 1. We have to prove this condition. Consider this within third bracket bi minus 1 bi plus 1 equals to just multiplying I in both numerator and denominator. Multiplying with numerator I we get this, and multiplying I in denominator with this. Then I square means what? Minus 1. I square means minus 1. This minus 1 can be written as I square. So this one can be written as minus I square, right? Minus I square. I square equals to minus 1. Now taking common on I, and here also I common, then we get b plus I, b minus I. Now taking both sides power minus a, raising each term to the power minus a, we get taking just power minus a on both sides. Taking log also on both sides. Now log, because log bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1 whole to the power minus a equals to log this, and power will becomes before log in log minus a log m by n formula, log m minus log n, log m by n formula, log m minus log n. This log b plus I can be written as log square root b square plus 1 I into tan inverse 1 by b. If cot theta equals to b, then tan theta equals to what? 1 by b. From this triangle law, b plus log b plus I equals to this. Now this cancelled, square root b square plus 1 square root b square plus 1 cancelled, equals to minus 2 ai tan inverse 1 by b. Now this equals to taking exponential form on both sides, then e log will be cancelled in left hand side. E log will be cancelled. This is why this only this equals to e exponential form of this minus twice ai tan inverse 1 by I. Now multiplying on both sides, e to the power twice ai cot inverse b. That means this positive multiply on both sides. Then we get this equals this multiply this equals to 1. This is the recurred proof. Concentrate, please. Now Gregory's series. a new series in trigonometry with trigonometric function. Find the Gregoric series. To find out, now we are try to find out the Gregoric series. To expand theta in power of 10 theta. This is very important series, Gregoric series in trigonometry. To expand theta in power of 10 theta, and theta lies between minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. We can write I tan theta equals to what? I sin by cos. And sin theta can be written as I to the power e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta divided by twice I. And cos theta can be written as e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2. Right? Just taking exponential form, complex form of sine and cos. Now I sin theta divided by cos theta equals to 2 cancel, and I will be e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta, I to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta. I cancel, 2 cancel. Now using component do and dividend do. That means using component do dividend do means what? You must know numerator plus denominator component do, and numerator minus denominator will be component do. Now here denominator first, denominator plus numerator, denominator minus numerator, denominator plus numerator in right hand side, and denominator plus numerator also in down of right hand side. So this by component dividend we can write this. Now taking common cos theta. If we take common cos theta common 1 give plus I, but here cos theta present, but sin by cos means what? Tan theta. Sin by cos means tan theta. After multiplication we get this cos theta plus sin by cos means cos cancel, only sin. This is why there's cos absent. This is why we can write sin by cos 1 plus I tan theta. Similarly, taking common in down cos theta 1 minus I tan theta. Cos cancel. Here also after numerator and denominator component dividend to in right hand side, we get the e to the minus I theta, e to the minus I theta cancel, plus minus, and this I to the power I theta, e to the power I theta cancel. So 2 cancel, e to the power twice I theta. This means what? 2 cancel, e to the power twice I theta equals to 1 plus I tan theta divided by 1 minus I tan theta. Now taking log on both sides, logarithm, log e to the power twice I theta equals to log 1 plus I tan theta divided by 1 minus I tan theta. Taking log on both sides just. Now log e. Now log e means what? Cancelled. Only 2 I theta will be exist. This equals to log this. Log m by n formula what? Log m minus log n. Log twice I theta equals to this one. Now twice I theta equals to log 1 plus x formula. Do you know? Log 1 plus x formula what? Log 1 plus x formula x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus this is the series. 1 plus log 1 plus x formula what? X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus, that means this first plus minus in this way, infinite series. This is infinite series of log 1 plus x. Now similarly log 1 minus x formula what? This one, minus x plus x square by 2 x square by x cube by 3 dot dot. This is the all will be positive, but in before minus this minus what? This minus, and formula minus what will be? Plus. So twice I theta equals to, now observe that this is positive and this is positive, but square negative positive cut, square cut, that means even term, even this is the power even, this will be cancelled, and fourth term also will be cancelled. That means power, all power which has even power, that term will be, those term will be cancelled. So twice I theta equals to twice I tan theta twice I tan theta, and cube also, this positive I tan theta by 3 whole cube plus I tan theta to the power 5 by 5 plus dot dot. That means odd term will be exist and even term will be cancelled due to cancellation law, plus minus. This is why. Now twice I theta equals to this one I square. Here I cube means what? I square into I square into I means I square means minus 1. This is why we can write only minus twice I. Here also I to the power 5 also can be written as I square how many? I square how many? 2 times I square into I. That means minus 1 into I. Minus 1 multiply only 1. That means only I can be written. So we can write twice I theta equals to taking twice I common from all term. Then we get only 10 theta minus 1 by 3 10 cube theta plus 1 by 5 10 to the power 5 theta minus dot dot minus plus in this way. Whole series will be exist. Now cancelling twice I from both sides. That means dividing by twice I on both sides because twice I is not equal to 0. That means non-zero. This is why you get theta equals to 10 theta minus 1 by 3 10 cube theta 1 plus 5 10 to the power 5 theta minus 1 by 6 10 to the power 6 10 to the power 7 theta. 1 by 7 will be odd values up to infinity. This is called the Gregory series. Remember it. Theta equals to this one series is called Gregory series. This is the evaluation of Gregory series. Very important series in trigonometry. You have to use this series to solve different kinds of problem. Expand log sec theta plus tan theta in ascending power of sin A. You have to find out a series with the in ascending power will be what? Sin A. Log sec x plus tan x. This will be sin x. Log sec x plus tan x. Log sec x plus tan x can be written as log sec means 1 by cos, tan means 1 sin by cos. Cos will be taking LCM cos, then 1 plus sin x divided by cos x. Now taking half, then giving a square. That means in log power will be comes before log. This is why 2 and half will be cancelled. But to solve this logarithm series, we have to take power 2, giving in half before log. Half log, this can be written 1 plus sin x 2 times, 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. And cos square means what? 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square means 1 minus sin square, this is 1 plus sin square. Log 1 plus sin x divided by 1 a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square formula what? 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. So 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x cancelled from both numerator and denominator. Then we get only 1 plus sin x in up and in down 1 minus sin x. Now log m by n formula, log m minus log n formula. Now log 1 plus x formula what? 1 plus x formula x minus x square by 2 x cube by 3, same series. Then 1 minus x what will be? Minus, all will be positive. Minus into minus what will be? Plus. Just look like before example. Gregory series. All will be term positive. Now cancelled or even power. Even power what? 2. Even power. So there will be exist only even term. Even term means what? Sin x, sin cube, sin 5, sin 7. All odd term will be exist. This is the expansion, required expansion. Now another example, we have to prove that pi equals to 2 square root 3, 1 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 5 into 3 dot dot minus, this will be minus dot dot. Now right hand side, from right hand side we have to prove this pi equals to this one. Taking right hand side, first of all 2 square root over 3 1 minus 1 divided by 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 5 into 3 square dot dot. This is given. Now 2 square root 3. If we take root 3 and dividing by root 3 on both all term, giving dividing by square root over 3 to all term and multiplying root 3, then we get this one 1 by root 3, 1 by 3 into root 3 whole cube plus 1 by 5 root 3 5 to make a series just dot dot. Now root 3 only 3. Root 3 whole square means only 3. Now 1 by root 3. This is 1 by 3 into 1 by root 3 whole cube. 1 by root 3 5 whole cube whole to the power 5. 1 by root 3 whole to the power 5. That means it becomes a series. This series what? What kind of series? This is the theta minus x minus 10x minus 1 by 3 10x 10 cube x 1 by 5 10 to the power 5x. Look like this. This is why this series can be written as tan inverse 1 by 3. This means tan inverse x. X means this 1 by 3x cube 1 by 5x to the power 5. This whole series can be written as tan inverse 1 by root 3. Now tan inverse 1 by root 3, how many degree? 1 by root 3, 30 degree, tan 30 degree. That means 5 by 6. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. This is why 5 by 6, only 30 degree. 6 cancel, this equals to pi. Very interesting maths. This is the Gregory series. After Gregory series, theta equals to tan theta minus 1 by 3 tan cube theta plus 1 by 5 10 to the power 5 theta dot dot, and theta lies between minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Now if you put tan theta equals to x, then theta equals to what? Tan inverse x. Theta equals to tan inverse x. Then this tan inverse x and this will be x. This will be x cube by 5x to the power 5. Remember it. Tan inverse x equal to can be x equals to formula x minus 1 by 3 x cube plus 1 by 5 x to the power 5 dot dot infinity. This formula used in this series. Understand?
Yes, sir.
X minus 1 by 3 x cube plus 1 by 5 x to the power 5 tan inverse x formula from Gregory series. Remember it. From Gregory series, we found tan inverse x equals to x minus 1 x cube by 3 x to the power 5 by 5 plus dot dot. This will be minus plus minus plus minus plus. It will be up to infinity. Never finished. Never finished. Nobody can be calculated up to infinity. But in mathematics, it is possible to find out infinite series, to find out infinite sum, to find out infinite. This is why we are doing research on universe. We are doing research on universe. Now next example, show that theta is positive acute angle. Positive acute angle means what? Acute angle, do you know what's the definition of acute angle? Acute angle will be less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, greater than 0 degree. That means 30 degree, 45 degree, all are acute angle. In Shukko Koon bola hai Bangla. Now show that theta is positive acute angle. Theta lies between 0 and 5 by 2. Then prove that log cos theta equals to this one. This is the series, and this is also infinite series. Now left hand side log cos theta. First of all, we will take log cos theta. Log cos theta can be written as half into log cos square theta. Half into log cos square theta. That means half log this cos square theta can be written as half into 2 cos square theta, right? Half into 2 cos square theta can be written. So half into 2 cos square theta means what? 1 plus cos twice theta from trigonometry formula. Half into 2 cos theta, 2 cos square theta. But 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos twice theta. So 1 plus cos twice theta divided by 2. Now this cos twice theta can be written in exponential form. E to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I2 theta 2I theta divided by 2. Divided by 2. Now taking LCM on numerator, then 2 plus e to the power twice I theta plus e to the power minus twice I theta. Try it at home. Maybe printing mistake. Half log log m by n formula, log m minus log n, log m minus log n. M means numerator, n means this. In division log, there will be minus. Half will be multiplied on both terms. Half log 2 plus e to the power twice I theta plus e to the power minus twice I theta, just numerator, minus half log 4, log m by n formula. Now half log this can be written as 2 plus e to the power twice I theta plus e to the power minus twice I theta can be written as 1 plus e to the power twice I theta 1 plus e to the power minus twice I theta. Just making it factor 1 plus, just 1 plus e to the power twice I theta 1 plus e to the power minus twice I theta. If we multiply, if we take multiply with this 2, then we get this one. Understand? 1 plus e to the power twice I theta multiply 1 plus e to the power minus twice I theta. If we take multiplication, then we get 2 plus e to the power twice I theta plus e to the power minus twice I theta. Understand? Taking multiplication, we get this. That means making factorization, this term we get this one. Then minus half log 2 square. 2 square means what? 4. Now this 2 will come before log properties. Using log properties, this will be only log 2 minus log 2 minus log 2 plus this will be log mn formula. Log mn formula, log m plus log n. In multiplication, we have to use in plus for multiplication. So half will be multiplied for both terms. Half log 1 plus e to the power twice I theta plus half log 1 plus e to the power minus twice I theta. Now log 1 plus x formula what? Log 1 plus x formula what? X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus dot dot, right? Similarly, 1 plus x formula similar, e to the x minus x square by 2, x will be what? E to the power minus twice I theta. X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus, in this way the whole series. There is known series for us. This minus log 2 just e to the power 2 I theta e to the power minus 2 I theta, right? Taking L together, half bracket e to the power twice I theta plus e to the power minus twice I theta. Then that means first term, first term, first term, first term, second term, second term. Taking this we get, right? Third term, third term. This will be 3 to 6 e to the power 6 I theta e to the power minus 6 I theta. Understand? Then minus dot dot infinity up to infinity. Log minus log 2. This will be what formula? E to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2 what? Cos x formula. X means what? Twice theta. Similarly, this will be cos 4 theta and this will be cos 6 theta. In this way, you can write every term up to infinity. Now this is the right hand side, our desired right hand side. This one, very easy maths. Now another important formula. Wait 5 minutes only. No problem. I will. No problem. Only 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes only. Just this is the last one. Last one for this class. Expand e to the power x cos bx in ascending power of x. We have to expand this one. In expansion, there will be term in x. E to the power x cos bx equals to e to the power x. Cos bx can be written as e to the power x plus e to the power minus ix. Just taking a formula of cos x formula, exponential form. Now half e to the just e to the power x multiplying e to the power plus ibx e to the power minus ibx. Now half e to the power x formula what? E to the power x formula 1 plus x square by 2 factorial 2 x cube by factorial 3. Do you know e to the power x formula? 1 plus x square by factorial 2 x cube by factorial 3 plus x to the power 4 by factorial 4 plus x to the power 5 by factorial 5. Just exponential e to the power x formula, just series of e to the power x. And similarly similar series e to the power minus ib, just 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3, like similar. Now taking half 1 2 second term plus second term, we get this. Third term plus third term, just giving writing similar term in bracket. Then the coefficient of x to the power n will be what? Coefficient of x to the power n will be half coefficient of x to the power n. Here power n, power what? 1. Here power 2. That means coefficient of x to the power n will be just power n. Understand? A plus ib whole to the power. If x to the power, if power 3, then coefficient of x cube what? This one. So x to the power n coefficient will be a plus ib whole to the power n plus a to the power minus in whole to the power n, and factorial will be what? Factorial n. Half will be what? This the before brackets half. Now let A equal to r cos theta, B equal to r sin theta. Just Cartesian to polar form. Writing the polar form, A equals to r cos theta and B equal to r sin theta, r equals to and this is the modulus square root a square plus b square argument and inverse b by a plus ib whole to the power n, a minus ib whole to the power n, just putting a and b from this, r to the power n cos theta plus I sin theta, and b also a minus ib equals to cos theta minus I sin theta, taking r to the power n as common. Then by de Moivre's theorem, multiplying power with the angle cos n theta plus I sin n theta, applying de Moivre's theorem. Now I sin finish, only 2 cos n, 2 into r to the power n cos n theta. So x to the power n coefficient will be half 2 into r to the power n cos n theta divided by factorial n. Why? Just putting this value what? 2 rn cos n theta here, 2 rn cos n theta. This is the coefficient of xn. We have to find out the coefficient of xn, this one. Now e to the power x plus cos bx equals this was the series 1 by 2, 2 into a plus ib, a minus ib, what will be? R equals to what? 1, 2r cos theta by factorial 2. And here r n equals to what? 2. Just putting n equals to 2. We get this 2r square x square cos square theta factorial nx. For 3 n equals to 3, just putting r n equals to 3, we get this plus dot dot up to infinity. Now 2r cos theta formula what? 2 will be common for all, 1 plus r cos theta, rx cos theta, r square x square cos theta, just a series. 1 plus x r cos theta means r means what? Square root a square plus b square. Argument cos theta angle will be cos inverse cos tan inverse, angle equal to theta equals to tan inverse this, from this theta equals to tan inverse b by a, cos tan inverse this and x square, just putting the values all, making it as a series n equals to 0 to infinity x to the power n by factorial n square root over a square plus b square cos n cos n tan inverse b by a. This term, this whole series can be written as a summation. This is the result. A little bit hard. You have to try to understand. This also homework for you. Log sec theta half tan square theta 1 by 4 tan to the power 4 theta 1 by 6. This is the homework. I have solved it before like this formula. This is also for homework for you. Prove that 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7 this equals to pi by 4. Just given series, you have to arrange the given series, then at 2 2 2 taking common, and 1 by 7 cube 7, like term will be in one bracket, then taking common 2, we get a series, and with 1 by 7 and 1 by 7 cube with 7 we get another series. This is the formula of what? Tan inverse formula, tan inverse x, and this is also formula of tan inverse x. X means what? 1 by 7. Here x equals to 1 by 3. Just tan inverse a plus tan inverse b formula, tan inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. This is the result. This will be homework for you. Okay, thanks to everybody for patience. আজকে অনেক সময় তোমাদের থেকে নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, ধৈর্য ধরার জন্য অনেক ধন্যবাদ। তোমরা লাস্ট একটা ক্লাস হবে, ওইটা বেশিক্ষণ সময় নেব না, আধা ঘন্টা 1 ঘন্টার ক্লাস নেব, তারপরে শেষ। তো সবাই প্রেজেন্ট থাকবে আর কি, যেহেতু 5 তারিখ ইনশাআল্লাহ স্যার। তবে আমার আর রিকোয়েস্ট থাকবে, তোমরা অন্তত বসে থাকিও না, নোট হইলেও করো, কিছু নোট করো বা একটু প্র্যাকটিস করার চেষ্টা করো, বোঝার চেষ্টা করো। ভিডিওগুলো শুনে শুনে প্রয়োজনে ডাউনলোড করে রাখো ভিডিওগুলো। ওখানে প্লেলিস্ট আছে, তোমাদের ইউটিউবের মধ্যে প্লেলিস্ট আছে, প্লেলিস্টে গিয়ে ওখান থেকে সবগুলো ভিডিও নিয়ে ডাউনলোড করে রাখতে পারো, অথবা শুনতে পারো তোমাদের যদি ডাটা থাকে, অ্যাভেলেবল থাকে। তো একটু কষ্ট করে প্রিপারেশন নাও, আর অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা ঠিকভাবে করো, ঠিক আছে? অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট কিন্তু দুই ভাগে বিভক্ত, একটা হচ্ছে তোমার কন্টেন্টস, আর একটা হচ্ছে কি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট রাইটিং। দুইটা আমি কাজ দিছি, তো দুইটার জন্য 10 থাকবে, এটা খেয়াল রাখবে। অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা 10 মার্কস থাকবেই, প্লাস ওই কন্টেন্টসটা ওইটাও 10 মার্কস, খেয়াল রাখবে। কেউ কোনো অংশ দিবে না, আর কারো থেকে কপি করবে না। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট
স্যার।
কপি করে দেবে না, কপি করে দিলে নিজেই আত্মঘাতী হবে। কারণ কেন, এগুলো তোমাকে আবার পরীক্ষার সময় করতে হবে।
জি স্যার।
ইলেকট্রনিক জিনিসগুলা কিন্তু ধরা যায় কেউ কারো থেকে কপি করছে কিনা। তো এই জন্য একটু কষ্ট করে পড়াশোনা করো, আর বেশি সময় নেই, সপ্তাহখানেক আছে। বেস্ট অফ লাক টু এভরিবডি, ভালো থাকিও।
ওকে স্যার, সালাম আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।